Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Ginno here after watching that sumo mask performance. That was incredible. That was so beautiful. If you didn't see my reaction to that, I suggest you go check that out. My lord, that was amazing. This, anyway, is the group performance of all three of the currently remaining masked singers in the show, which is of course the Baozi mask, the sumo mask, and the Jaguar mask. All three of them performing Firework by Katy Perry, of course one of the most famous pop songs of all time. I'm looking forward to this. This should be fun. I want to see how they put their twist onto it. It's going to be cool. Let's get into this. I hope you guys enjoy. Allons-y. I still don't know who has gone out. I don't even know whether it's been announced, but I wouldn't be able to pick. I thought they were all incredible performances. My lord. Anyway. Lovely strings. Great intro. That's nice. God, I love strings as, you know, the main part of the instrumental. It's glorious. Nice gold colouring. I think I can see the Baozi mask. That's him there, isn't it? I think it is him. Yeah. Okay. She can do everything. Okay. Okay. Wow. All three of them have such incredible vocals, and they're all different. Very distinctively different. Oh, yes. That's nice. I love the live instrumental. Great. Lots of energy. Definitely making it their own even. It'd be very tough. Katy Perry is very distinctive. It's nice. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. He has an amazing voice. Wow, they all do. They're all so different. There's so much variety. It's just fun, this performance, actually. I wouldn't say there's any sort of exceptional performances going on. It's just so much fun and lively. It's nice. Masked Singer Season 2 has been immense. It's been even more energetic and interesting than Season 1. And that was great, Season 1. I love those bassy kick drums. So glorious. I love the twang to the sumo mask voice. Very nice. The quality of dancing is a bit... I like the backup dancing though, that's nice. The gold colour scheme's nice. It just looks like loads of fun as well. Lots of fun. Wow. Wowee. Impressive. That was really, really awesome actually. Visually the stage was fantastic, it was so much fun, their live instrumental was glorious. They did switch up a couple bits and made it their own and distinctively different to the Katy Perry version. I mean, it was a lot of fun. I don't know who is going to go out. I don't think I could pick someone to go out. I know the person who I think will most likely go through and I think will probably win it, which is the Sumo Mask. And that there is definitely a bit of personal bias there because I really like her style of performing, and I love her voice more so than the two guys. Both of them are fantastic though. I couldn't pick who is going to go out. It's a shame one of them does have to go out because they're all so great. But there we go. Thank you very much for following me on this journey. Next week is of course the final. I'm looking forward to that a lot. I hope you guys are too. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Share the video wherever you can. It'd be greatly appreciated. This is going to be Ginno signing out. See you guys soon.